Hello, my name is Kahan. My personal project is about creating a prototype model car, which is specifically a pickup truck. The main reason behind me uh, selecting this for my personal project was fascination and love that I have for cars. It has helped me grow as a learner and a global citizen. This experience has helped me have a better understanding of the topic and given me valuable life skills. This personal project required me to conduct research and come up with new strategies for product development. The skills which helped me to complete my product efficiently were self-management and thinking skills. Self-management skills helped me plan my time efficiently, and thinking skills helped me develop various designs for my car. A key takeaway has been the development of global citizenship. Furthermore, I learned the importance of collaboration and communication, which will be useful as I work with diverse communities in the future. Reflecting on my progress, it helped me develop into a self regulated learner. I grew more curious, asking deeper questions and analyzing complex situations from multiple angles. In conclusion, this personal project and IB program has helped me become an inquirer and a better global citizen. The CAD modeling skills which I learned through this project will benefit my future self. Thank you.